What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We are out here on the KLX enjoying some dry weather that we have been getting in Oregon. As you guys can see, we are in full effect for fall. The leaves are changing colors and they are on the street, have not been cleaned up yet, but that's okay because they create some good fun as seen in the last video. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's a fun one. Today, we are going to have another fun video. Going to be sliding around and doing everything that constitutes to fun on the KLX. Right now, I'm headed to my friend's shop. Say what's up over there. Going to do some wheelies on his road. Well, do a couple. But then after that, we'll go to a more isolated lot and see if we can't slide around. Go around the loop-de-loop here. Oh yes, my favorite things in the city, speed bumps. Wow, getting better at standing up while riding, getting the downshifts down. Upshifts aren't bad. Now I just got to practice downshifting and braking at the same time. Oh man, stupid truck. Making me sit down. Nice little backfire there. I thought that cop was coming after me from behind. He is moving. Haven't seen the gray cop with its lights on. I think the only gray cop I've seen is actually with its lights inside of the vehicle, not on the outside. I don't think I've seen a gray cop car around here that is marked like that one. So good to know that that cop is out there so I can look for him. Oh, police radar van. Oh, fun. Traffic laws, photo enforced. I think the speed limit is like 30 or something around here. Wow, that speed sign didn't read me. I guess that's kind of handy. But, you know, I wouldn't go over the speed limit, for sure. Ooh, crisp downshifts. Halloween coming up next week. Gonna hopefully do a little night ride, see what the neighborhoods around here got going in terms of decorations. See if there aren't some people out trick-or-treating. Halloween would be a good time to break out my Iron Man helmet, since I originally got that helmet from my Ninja that I used to have, that I was painting red and gold, but then I sold it. So, now I have a Iron Man helmet that is red and gold, and I have a green Kawasaki. Gee, would you look at the traffic there. I guess I am riding at that point when the kids get out of middle school. High school kids get out a little earlier, so kind of forget about that. It's a nice day out today, not too cold, not super windy. It's about the perfect temperature. But then, of course, as it starts to get dark, well, that's when you really start to get freezing. perks of having a motorcycle in the city. Even if you don't lane split, you can still get through a tighter gap than a car would be able to. But that's not to say that I don't enjoy driving my car in the city, because I definitely do. Alright, almost here to my friend's shop. Alright guys, say hi real quick here, and then I will be back out in a sec. Alright guys, we're done. Now, we're gonna head over to the other side of the town to hit up the normal lots at the mall and Toys R Us lot. And we'll go have some fun there. Hopefully there's not the same amount of traffic that was just here when I passed through the first time, because if there is, that would suck. Let's see who's going to be nice here and let me over, since these lanes go down to 1. Alright, mission successful. We are in the lane. Somebody was nice enough to let me over. Let's see if this speed sign will pick me up this time. No, it didn't look like it did, because I definitely wasn't doing 28. Or maybe it did. And it's just way off. Look at all the cars slowing down for that police van there. And then they speed up right after. Before we get to the mall, there's actually some place I want to check out right here, I think. Well, I thought this was a big open field, but it does not appear as such. Looks like somebody has tried this before, because there is a sign that says no motorcycles. I'm not exactly sure if that's the field I saw on the map or not. Back to the ride to the mall. Down the hill we go, and it's like a roller coaster. Just grab on and hold on for the ride. Haggerty, for people who love cars. I thought that was going to be a lot cooler of a sticker, but instead it's just a marketing sticker for Haggerty. Oh, it's a Haggerty vehicle. Duh. I feel like a dog looking out the window when cars pass me. Here we go, my favorite corners. And we are stuck behind a Chevy Captiva. Alright guys, you know the drill. Whip our little Yui here. And here we are. Do our little once around real quick. You guys know the drill. Let's go ahead and begin. Whoa. It's almost as if my bike were about to die, but I caught it at the last second, giving it some gas. Let's go ahead and try that again. this is good. It's taking me less time to get comfortable with the front wheel popping up each time I get to the lot. So if I had to pick something that I did well today, it's, ooh, Corvette Z06. Alright. Easily distracted. Anyways, if I had to choose something that I did well today, it would be getting into some of the higher revving wheelies faster and being comfortable with that quicker. So let's continue on, shall we? Ooh, Audi S4. Nice. Easily distracted. Gosh. Huh. That one I leaned forward too much. I saw how that affected the wheelie. And another one. And another one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and head to the mall real quick, have some fun there, and then we'll call it a video. Here we are. Let's go try out the leaves first. See if we can't get a little bit of slippage there. Oh, yes we can. Oh man. Let's do a little dirt burnout. Uh-oh, security. There's the rut I made yesterday. Where's security going? Is he coming this way? No, he is not. So... and there's my mud tracks from the other day. Here comes security. I see the lights. Well, I just park here real quick. Nothing to see here. Just, you know, checking my fluids and stuff. Bike's running good. Seems like it's in tip-top shape. Yeah, overheating light is not on. Yeah, okay, I think we're good. Alright guys, I think we are gonna call it a video after we go through our little tunnel here. Parking garage is a little bit empty today. Alright guys, I think we are going to call it a video. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends or those who may enjoy it. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.